cistern. You can see the cistern for the toilet. So I want to show you how to install a closed cistern and the fittings. Here we have the seal. We have to remove the cover. Okay. Then these are our system. Our fittings. Let me show you everything. First we have the siphon. This one is the one which we usually use to press the pump which flushes the system. And this is the fill valve. This one fills the cistern and controls the water levels. This is the ball valve. We call it the cistern fill valve. Then we have the screws and the button. Let me show you. These are the pressing buttons. We have the plastic screws to attach the cistern and the toilet, and this rubber is to prevent leakage in between the cistern and the toilet. So check out on how we usually fix them. So these are our cisterns. First we're gonna start with the siphon. This is a back nut. You unscrew it, it's simple as that. Then we have this glue, it's called boss white. We usually apply to the thread fittings so that we prevent any leakage, any kind of leakage. So this is how it is. You usually just apply it as simple as that. Just as simple as that. Just as simple as that. That's how we usually fix it. Then, as you can see, you fix it from inside. Check out. You just fix it as simple as that. Then you have your back nut. And this is how you fix it. You see? Just as simple as that. Then you have to get your spanner. For me, I'm using this water pump spanner. You tighten it a little bit to prevent leakages. As simple as that. Then I have this rubber. First, let me install the fill valve. It got also a plastic rubber where you're gonna apply the glue all around as simple as that. Then we also fix it. Let me show you. This is how we fit it on the right side. Just as simple as that. Then this is the back nut. You fix it as simple as that. So simple to fix this. We are through. Then we have our rubber here. What we have to do, we apply we apply the glue all around here where the rubber gonna be lying. Simple as that. Other people use silicone, but for us we are using this glue. Then you fix it as simple as this. Simple as that. Check out how easy it is. Then we apply again on top of it. This one will lie on the toilet. So that's why we are applying the glue over here. Simple as that. Then we fix our toilet. Our screws to attach the cistern to the toilet. You see, we have these two holes here. You just fix your screws here, the right side, and this side. Then we tighten a simple style. That's how we usually tighten. You make sure you balance the cistern when tightening. Then the other side. As simple as that. As simple as that. Then we have to tighten it up. As simple as that. Then we have our cover. This is how we place it. Just on top of the system. So then we have to fix up our flash buttons. Let me show you how we usually fix the flash buttons. The easy way to fix this, you just place it on top. You remove the back nut, you place it here. So this means our legs are big enough, so we have to reduce them. So you see the distance in between the flash buttons and the cover. You just measure it. You can measure with your tape measure or something like this, as simple as this, as simple as this, the protruding part. Then you come the measurement, you bring it down here. That's the method I usually use. Then you mark your, then you reduce them using a blade or a cutter, which you usually use. For me, I'm using an axle blade. Then I use also this one. As simple as that. Check out. So this is how it is now. Check out. Then, because you are now okay, this is your back nut. You just lift up your cover. Then this is how you do it. You tighten it as simple as that. As simple as that. Then you place it back. And your cistern is now good. Then we have this these are flex tubes. So these are our flex tube. Let us fix it here. Simple to fix a flex tube. Then we have our point here. We have to remove the plugs. As simple as that. Then we have our angle valve. This is called angle valve. This is how we usually do it. Let me show you. We remove the seal. Simple as this. Get out. Simple as that. Then you fix your cover like this. Then you thread your angle valve, as simple as that. Make sure you apply enough thread seal tape. As simple as that. Then you fix your angle valve. That's how simple you can fix your angle valve. Then we have our flex tube. Then that's our toilet inlet. Okay.